Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Vauxhall Corsa Design. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 54 miles to the gallon. An insurance group of 6, so ideal for new drivers, and the car has an extremely low mileage of just over 9,000 miles with full service history from Vauxhall. This particular colour, which is metallic, is called a Shiny Grey and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, as you can see, you've got a nice clean interior there. The seats are in great condition, with the passenger going up the centre. Onto the dashboard, you've got your touch screen there in the centre for your DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has air conditioning below. The cruise control there on the steering wheel, and then on the driver's door card, you've got your controls for your mirrors and front windows. As we open the rear doors, we have easy access there into the back, lots of legroom and headroom, and the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts and a cup holder there in the centre. I see the car's still got the original Vauxhall carpet floor mats as well, so that's good to see. As we open the tailgate, you've got the good sized boot there, nice and square, with the folding rear seats and also the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you have your tyre inflator kit as well as some extra storage, so nice and practical. Externally, the car comes with front and rear parking sensors and also the 15-inch wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we'll offer finance, which is 10.9%. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.